Hi, it's time for fruit shakes, milkshakes, energy drinks. So today we're gonna review blender full of power. Let's start. This blender can help you to make protein shakes, energy drinks, fruit juice, smoothies, milkshakes, and more. I'm gonna show you in this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel just now. Thanks. So let's check, guys, what is inside the box. It looks like cover from the bottle. Power blender manual. Bottle with our motor blender, and that's it. It looks so nice, so pro. White is now very cool color for kitchen. Before we start testing this, I just want to mention a little bit about design. This is so glossy white, a very good bottom. It's clickable. You will hear the sound when you click on and click out. There is no option to press and hold. You have cover, and on the bottle we can just twist it to not forget about this. It's very easy to remove, and the cable, it's look pretty long, which can easily far away from you, or you can really reach the socket in your kitchen, which is really good. Okay, guys, so this is the time when we should make a test. So like I said to you, remove is very easy. You just open this. Look this. This is very important, that you have ice crusher. You see this? You can easily crush your ice. Bah. Go to power. And it's very, very, very fast. So we're gonna remove this, and I'm planning to do the test with something hard for many blenders, and this will be peanuts. So this is just for test. Bach. And now where's my peanuts? Look this. You completely smash it in just one press. That will happen with your fruits, coffee beans, or ice. One press, guys. I need to show you this. Do you see? It's just on one press and it's completely smashed. So now let's say you have the peanuts inside, or you just finish making your drinks. You remove it, this one. You can close your bottle, and here I go. You can go to work, watch movie, wherever you want. You can also put to your fridge to make more cold. And even the producer says that the butter is good for cars. Fits in car cup holder. Okay, but you guys asking me now, but what about our family? Is there for more people than just one person? What about there? They need to wait when I will do and I will drink. No, 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 no. Look at that. You can have unlimited bottles for this blender. So if Jack wants two, you can make for Jack. If your daughter Anne going and wants to, you say, Anne, wait, I will make it for you too. Bach, bach. And whole family can be happy. If you want to buy this, remember to ask that there is any promo to add bottles for whole family. Okay, so I showed you a lot of good things with the blender that is very powerful. You can blending everything. You can make smoothie, fruit shake, energy drinks, even beans, coffee or ice, dairy, no problem, just with one press. You can have multiple butters, which is good. But what about the price? And here I'm gonna surprise you, because the price is exactly the same price with standard blender. You will pay for powerful blender from JML company. So let's go to this and let's buy this one. In the description I will put you full of model and name for this one, and also I will add you link about these products, and you can buy in there any appliances store. You can ask about the brand and you should find. If you can find, definitely I will add link when you can just straight away order for you and for your family. So I'm gonna to tell you that definitely I recommend you this JML power blender. You should buy this one, you should choose this one. Why? Because in this you have unlimited option to change the butters. This is very strong plastic, it's not easy to break. If it will be broken, you will lost it. You always 100% you can buy new, and you don't need to be worried to change whole blender. Second thing is powerful, is very strong, so you can blend everything like I said. And last thing, which is very important, is the price. The price is really the same level of standard blender, so you will not spend more for better quality, stronger power, and in multiple use. So if I motivate you and you like these products, click like, don't forget subscribe me, because next week I'm gonna to show you how to make more drinks. So if you're not yet decided to buy this, you wanna see more, next week I'm definitely gonna to show you. Thank you for today. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe now and see you in next video.